Portuguese government, and they are still not the rightful owners even after a century. Speaker sir, 2 मिनटां मातशें प्लीज उलोवपा दिया ह्या विशया बद्दल. 2 वर्सां जाले ह्या विशया बद्दल हांव फॉलो अप करता. But we have still not reached any decision, and nor the government has reached any decision on this. कित्याक चडशे सगळे मॅक्सिमम लँड जे होल्डर्स आसा 70 भागान, दे आर ऑल अल्वारा लँड होल्डर्स. आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा दॅट दीस वॉज गिवन बाय द पोर्चुगीज इतले वर्सां पयलीं फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पसीस. आनी आतां आफ्टर पोर्चुगीज गेले, बट गोवा डमन एंड ड्यू 1965 ॲक्ट, पण the laws are still not very clear, the title holder is still not very clear, and the landholders are in a state of legal uncertainty. 11 December 2017 cabinet meeting जाऊन again there was a land revenue reforms आणि decide केलें की provision करपाचें regularize करपाक अल्वारा land holdersank आणि against a fixed amount. सो एटलिस्ट हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की आमचे 2000 तरी एप्लिकेशनां पेंडींग आसा फॉर रेग्युलरायझेशन. क्लास 2 गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फिक्स्ड अ रेट ऑफ 5 रुपीज, पण all these applications are pending either with the collector, under secretary or secretary revenue.
Yes.
आता last 2-3 वर्सां जालीं हांव फॉलो अप करता. Either for deed of succession नाल्यार inventory proceedings. 2 मिनटां स्पीकर सर. कित्याक बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट मागता, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट मागता, बट इतले वर्सां पयलीं आमच्या भागान रजिस्ट्रेशन जायना आशिल्लें.
Speaker sir, I assure the honourable member we will look into it.
Shri Vinesh Borkar.
Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn as among senior citizens, elderly individuals and children who don't know or are unable to use smartphones to make online or digital payments to avail